Hello everyone, and welcome back to Davos Video. I apologize it's been so long. COVID and some personal things threw my life for a bit of a loop, but we're back now, and hopefully with many videos to come. In our past videos, we only made it through about 16 or 17 points that I wanted to cover, and as you can see, the wiki reference that we were working on has expounded dramatically since then. I may or may not cover each one of these in future videos, but I will endeavor to cover the most important topics. I would also like to show you something that I've been working on since recording my last videos. This is a novel template that I have been working on for the last 2 years. I use it to track the stories that I am writing, which is my primary use of WikidPad. So I will also be making a set of videos going over this, how I use it, why it works for me. It will also give me an opportunity to demonstrate some of the neat tricks that I've learned in using WikidPad over the last 5 years. So keep an eye out for future videos, and let's get into it.